Hey guys, welcome to Sahana's World.
In this video, I am going to teach you how to make a very quick and easy chaat for those street food cravings. Audience beware, this dish is super addictive and will be over before you can blink. So, make at your own risk. Ingredients list is given in the description box below. Before you start, you need to have all the ingredients ready. In a plate, arrange all the biscuits like this and then add the ingredients in the order that I tell you. First, mayonnaise, chili powder, chaat masala, onions, tomatoes, save, and then coriander leaves. If you like, you can also add a drop of lemon juice on every biscuit. This is a perfect party dish for any occasion and everyone will like this. If you don't have mayonnaise, then you can use Shrikhand, hunkered or sour cream instead. Now, wasn't that easy? I hope you'll try this at home. If you do, then please send me a picture. Voila! Your chaat is ready. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your family and friends. Also write in the comment section below what other videos you would like me to make for you. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you try my recipes, please send me a picture and I will feature it on my Facebook page.
Thanks for watching.